Hey guys, Paul here from modchip.com with your installation for the Amazebreak for the PlayStation 3. Alright, so to get started guys, you're going to take your Amazebreak key and plug it into your USB port on your computer. And it should light up red. So you're going to need a little pin or something that you can press the red button that's glowing in. You want to press that down so it turns off, and now it's ready to turn this into a mod chip on your PC. So to start off, our first suggestion is always to go to modchip.com, where you have the option to download all manuals you need for installation. So as you can see, it's found on our home page. You just have to scroll down. On the bottom left here you have mod chip manuals, and you have the option to choose your console. So guys, the very first thing you're going to need to do is go to modchip.com. I've already done this to speed things up, and you're going to want to download the Open Manager file. Now this, you just copy it onto normal USB. I've already plugged that into my computer, and you're going to drag it over to your USB, and once it's in there, go ahead and pop that out, and you're going to plug it into your PS3. Okay guys, so to speed things up, I already went to modchip.com and downloaded the manuals, and within the manuals you will find all of these files. So once you have your Amazebreak key in, you're going to open up the Amaze extension, EXE, and click load. And you're going to press Amazebreak for Manager and upgrade. Yes. Now 50% of the time you might get an error message, but don't worry. You just go ahead and do it again, and most of the time you get upgrade successful. Okay. Now you're going to take your Amaze key out and plug it into your PS3. Alright, so your next step is you're going to plug the Amaze key into your PS3, like I have here. And before you start it up, you actually have to unplug your power cable and plug it back up again. If you also want to speed things up, you have the option to buy a power switch on modchip.com, which allows you to just switch it on and off instead of unplugging the cable. So the next step you're going to want to do fairly quickly. You're going to power on the PS3 and hold down your eject button for about 5 seconds. You want to do it in one quick motion so that it works properly. And after you've held that for about 5 seconds, your PS3 should start up. So once your PS3 is powered up, you're going to take your USB key that you've uploaded the Open Manager to, and you're going to plug that in right next to your already red lit up Amaze key. And now we'll take a look at what we have on the screen. Alright, so once you have the Amaze key and your Open Manager on your USB plugged in, the first thing you should see on your screen is your PlayStation Store. So just scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Install Package Files. Click on that, click Open Manager, and it should start to install automatically. It's already done. So you're going to go back, and you're going to go down to Open Manager. It should open up. When you click on it, and it's just going to restart. Now it's going to ask want to use, you hit yes. Wants to patch FTP, yes. eBoot bin has been successful, and Open Manager should start. So once your Open Manager is up and running, this is basically what you're going to use to manage all of the games that you save to your hard drive. So I went ahead and already saved Grand Theft Auto ahead of time, as depending on the size of your game it may take a while to actually load. But just for an example, I'm going to throw Uncharted into the PS3 so you can see what happens. And once you put your original game disc in, it should show up on your Open Manager. Right there you see Uncharted 2 Among Thieves, and all you have to do is copy, and you are going to be asked a question, and yes, and it'll start to automatically save it to your hard drive. Okay, so I aborted the installation of Uncharted to show you guys exactly how it should work. So as you can see, we have Uncharted in the PlayStation right now. And like I said previously, I already loaded Grand Theft Auto. So this is proof that once you do it correctly, you will be able to play a game just as if you had your original disc in. But I don't have Grand Theft Auto in right now. I already installed it. Right now, Among Thieves is in the PlayStation. So I go to Grand Theft Auto, which is already installed. I hit launch, and it'll reset you back to your main menu. And Open Manager will appear. You scroll up to Grand Theft Auto, and there it is. It's exactly the same as if you had your disc in, and you can play it directly from your hard drive. There you go.